Hi friends, let me show you this new and pet water fountain that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really nice equipment with which you can have your pets drinking fresh water because the water is always moving, it's always flowing, okay? Let me show you. This is the place where the pets will have the water. As you can see, it's kind of a river going down. This is a water container we're passing. You get the user manual, okay? We're going to put it together. So easy, you just have to connect this to the electricity and that's it. Okay. The water is filtered with this filter accessory, okay? Water will go back here, so it will go through the filter, okay? The water pump has its own filters here. You get some replacements. And of course, you get the accessories that you need to change the filter or just clean and brush everything, okay? As you can see, you have a special hole here to get the cable through, okay? And the water pump has these suction cups that will, make that it will be in the bottom with the suction cup so it won't move, okay? Let me show you how it works. It's so easy. You just have to put some water in it. Like this. You want to have enough water so the water pump is covered by water, okay? Remember, the cable goes through this hole, okay? And that's it. You just have to connect the pump and you get the water flowing through the rim, okay? It's really nice. Let me show you how it looks. And the water goes back, of course, through this hole and it goes through the filter, okay? Let me show you. You can see the water flowing from the fountain all the way down through the river to the main water basin and back through that hole to the water container. So it's filtered again and it keeps flowing all the time. So the water is fresh, it's circulating, and your pets have a nice fresh water every time they want. Thank you. Also, when you need, you can buy extra water filters, an extra pump. Whatever part you need, you can order it separately, okay? So you will have always a working unit for your pets. Really easy to use it, really easy to maintain. You just have to clean everything once every 1 or 2 weeks. Change the filters whenever you think it's necessary. And that's it. Thank you. Now we are going to use it with my pets. Let's do it. We're going to put it here. We're going to put the water. You can put more than 2 gallons of water. And you just turn it on. There's the water coming out of the fountain. Look how Milo is happy drinking it from the fountain. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, the pets are free to drink the water and it's always fresh because it comes out of the fountain. Perfect. If you have 1, 2, 3 pets, small pets like these ones, this fountain holds more than 2 gallons of water. So it's great for a household like this one. Thank you.